Intel on how to stop Jack. With him missing, we really need your help. Talk to Private Jessup at the gate. He'll let you into the city. Jessup, stand up straight.
We got a Vault Hunter headed your way. Hyperion Moonshot Blitz. Without that fresh core you brought, those lunar mortars would have punched right through the shield. Commander Roland never came back from his secret reconnaissance mission. He left very specific orders for this contingency, which you can help carry out. Go meet with the town mechanic.
Crap. Darn. Roland needs your help. Without you, the Crimson Raiders don't stand a chance against Jack. Please find out where Roland's gone. Sanctuary. Built on the ruins of the Dahl.
Oh, crap. Is you Hyperion? I heard all of you were robots and you eat metal out the garbage and stuff. Knew you wired death machines, but come for me once Roland went missing. Now, if you're here to kill me, you should probably know. You'll never get me alive, you robotic son of a bitch!
Wait a minute.
Ha! Well, hang me upside down from a telephone pole, cover me in honey, and leave me to a slow death at the hands of hungry spider ants. You ain't no Hyperion robot. You're a Vault Hunter, huh? That's like a unicorn. Now, you gonna help us out with this Roland situation? I heard them Crimson Raider dudes talking about it. Roland told me if you ever disappeared, I was supposed to initiate Plan B, or as I like to call it, Plan Turn this city into a floating-ass fortress of airborne awesomeness. B. I got some fuel cells around here. You'll need those. Oh, and you'll need this iridium here, too. The last sale from Earl's Black Market. Careful though, Earl's crazy. He ate one of my cards once. Yeah.
Like with the floor.
I'm starving! I want to eat your babies!
Son, this might sting a bit. Much as I enjoy paying you to kill stuff, I can't think of anything I want dead. Sorry, I got nothing.
My kidneys feel like they're made of cottage cheese.
No new jobs for you.
Bandits of Sanctuary. I hear a new Vault Hunter has arrived in your city, so just turn him into me and you'll be rewarded. Don't worry, nobody's gonna turn you in. You're our only hope of stopping Jack.
Could I have a refund, please? This gun doesn't seem to work.
I don't know. Looks like it works to me. Get over here. I got work. Hey, Vault Hunter. If you're gonna be a part of the Crimson Raiders, you better know how to use elemental weapons, don't you think? I've just got a crate of spanking new Malawan elemental weapons. Wanna help me test them out? I'll see you in the firing range. Fire weapons are extremely effective against flesh, but they're crap at destroying shields.
Go to hell, bandit!
Now, burn that imperialist bastard like a skag steak. Aha! Finally. What a nasty combination. Now, how about a shielded target? This Hyperion fascist thinks he's safe because he's got a take that, Jack lover. A few good hits from a shock weapon will zap a shield away quicker than you can say buyer's remorse. Now what else? Armor. Armored targets like these damn Hyperion robots can take a lot of damage. See how the acid eats through the metal? I must confess, I love corrosive weapons. Now, let's try out these new slag weapons. Slag is a bit more complex. If you slag your enemy, all non-slag damage will hurt even more. Now that he's slagged, he should be easy enough to finish off. Switch to another weapon and hit him again. To do full damage, you'll want to switch to another weapon once your enemy has been slagged. If you want to purchase any elemental weapons like these, you could always buy some from your friendly neighborhood arms dealer.
Let's just get this out of the way. Yes, most of my merchandise
Vault Hunter! How good to see you again. Thanks to the thorough drubbing you delivered upon Captain Flint, I was able to leave the southern shelf and get back to the business of finishing my almanac. Would you care to drink me out?
Roland said we gotta have an exit strategery just in case he ever disappeared. Hits all fuel cells and whatnot. Bummer though. He really wanted to meet you. Raiders ain't gonna last without some new blood. And given how you shot them bandits up, I'd say you and Blood got an extra special relationship. Like cousins taking a bath together.
What you want? Just buy something and I'll toss in this crap fuel cell. Just touching it made two of my fingers right off. I only accept iridium. Cash is for clowns, boy. Don't even think about bringing out. Come back now. I get a little lonely.
Thanks for grabbing all that stuff for me. Third-degree burns are best taken in shifts. Now, to see the fruits of your loins, this city is gonna fly. Oh, God damn. Well, now we really gotta find Roland. You know what? Maybe get to Roland's place. I think he might have left a message there for you.
Vault Hunter, get in. Roland left a message for you. Jack's gotta be pissing his pants.
Hey, soldier. If you're hearing this, I'm in trouble. Right now, you're the only thing standing between this city, hell, the whole planet, and Handsome Jack's army. I left info about my whereabouts in my safe. You can use it to store anything you need. This is your home now. Good luck.
When you think murder, think Marcus Munitions. I'm sure we will. Depends on the app.
Should've never You're hot. You're not here to kill me, are you? That'd be a What's that? Ugh, what?
Why, yes, I am.
Gay! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
This is the Firehawk. Come to Frostburn Canyon or people will die.
The Firehawk? You mean the mass murderer and bounty hunter? Oh, crap! If the Firehawk's got him, Roland's in deep! You gotta get to Frostburn Canyon and rescue his ass!
If Roland has been captured by the Firehawk, he's in danger. You're the only one who can stop Jack, but Roland is the man with the plan, so to speak. He knows the best way to strike at Hyperion.